see, they're all doing really well. I have actually not realised the ones in the middle need a bit of water, so I'll do that now. The thing is with these, the ones at the edges always have lots of water. It must be raised up in the middle. So that's a mistake on my part. But as you can see, all the lettuce is through. It's just that one was a bit dry. I hope that's okay. All the rockets through, and the spring onions all through. As you can see, I'm gonna have to research how these grow indoors. Oh, it's the first time I've seen these ones. My hot peppers are finally through. It's free. And all my sweet peppers, they've come through nicely. You can just see them ones, they must have been a bit later since it's dry. Because I haven't been watering the middle ones very well, because the middle ones lose water quickly. You can see actually that all the water just goes to the edge. Anyway, I'll just have to try and think about that. So this is today's update. I'm gonna have to get these out and put them on the windowsill. Okay, so I've just given them all a proper good water now. Accidentally get some water on the leaves, just get that off. So I've got plenty of peppers through, just like I wanted. You can just see that one's just a bit late coming through. Not sure why some have got 3 in. So I'm going to come back later and see how they've packed up. I've left this side open since they're all through. I've left the sides shut just to give these a chance, and then I'll probably take the lid off in a day or two and see if I can put these on. Today is Sunday the 31st of January, and I've took the lid off and the lid's staying off now that everything has germinated. We have all the peppers through that I need to re-put on. We have the lettuce, and you can see some starting to get red leaves, so I need to put them on and put them somewhere. That's the rocket, that's the spring onions, and these are the hot peppers, the hot chili peppers. So just move them off, you can see there's 3 there, and a little tiny one just trying to come through. There's 4 seeds in total. There's one trying to get through. There's 2, and there's 1. So that's how it looks in my kitchen. It's really good to see some seeds growing. And that's the update that I promised to do. Bye!